In this video, I'll show you how to tag someone on a Facebook post in just a few simple steps. Tagging someone in a post lets them know they're part of the content, and it also helps the post reach more people. It's useful when you want to mention friends, family, or anyone involved in the post. First, open the Facebook app and tap on What's on Your Mind to create a new post. Now type the text you want to share. When you want to tag someone, simply type the @ symbol and start typing the person's name. Facebook will automatically show a list of people that match the name. Tap on the correct name from the list, and Facebook will add the tag to your post. The person's name will now appear highlighted, which means they've been successfully tagged. You can continue writing your post, add photos or videos if you want, and tag multiple people the same way. Once everything looks good, tap Post, and your content will be shared with the tag included. And that's it. That's how you can tag someone on a Facebook post quickly and easily. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and helpful tech tutorials.